Hey there, garden lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a game changer for your garden, the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller. If you're tired of manually watering your plants and want a smarter, more efficient way to keep your garden lush and green, this device is for you. Let's dive right in. I'm super excited to introduce you to the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller. This little but incredibly smart device is revolutionizing how you water your garden. Let's dive into what Rachio 3 can do for you. Imagine it's a hot summer day, and your plants are thirsty. Normally, you'd have to grab the hose and water each plant individually. But with Rachio 3, everything changes. This smart irrigation system adjusts your watering schedule based on weather forecasts. Is it going to rain? Great! Rachio 3 knows and skips watering for the day. Is it super hot out? Rachio 3 understands that your plants need extra water and takes care of it. One of my favorite features of Rachio 3 is how customizable it is. You can create separate watering schedules for different zones in your garden. It takes into account the types of plants, soil type, and even how much sunlight each area gets. This means every plant gets exactly the amount of water it needs. With its mobile app, you can control Rachio 3 from almost anywhere. Are you at work or on vacation? No problem. With just a few taps on your phone, you can adjust or monitor your watering schedule. This means your garden is always under your control, no matter where you are. Rachio 3's water-saving capabilities are truly impressive. With its EPA WaterSense certification, it optimizes your water usage, which can lower your bills. So, you're making an environmentally friendly choice and saving money at the same time. For eco-conscious folks, this device is a dream come true. It's also compatible with smart home systems. You can easily integrate it with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Controlling your irrigation system with voice commands? How cool is that? Just say, "Hey Google, start watering the garden," and it's done. In short, the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller is redefining garden irrigation. It's smart, customizable, eco-friendly, and incredibly easy to use. If you love your garden and want to give it the best care, there's no better option than Rachio 3. Once you meet this device, you won't believe how much more beautiful and healthy your garden will look. Show your garden the love it deserves and meet Rachio 3. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Orbit B-hyve XR Smart Sprinkler Controller. This device is packed with smart features that make watering your garden incredibly easy. Let's dive into what the Orbit B-hyve XR has to offer. The Orbit B-hyve XR automatically adjusts your watering schedule using weather data. No need to worry about it raining or changing weather conditions, because this smart sprinkler system takes all that into account to create the perfect watering plan. This not only saves water, but also ensures your plants get exactly what they need. One of the most impressive features of this device is its support for up to 8 or 16 zones, each with independent watering schedules. You can create special programs for different areas of your garden, ensuring each type of plant and area gets the ideal amount of water. The B-hyve XR's mobile app makes your life a whole lot easier. Download the app on your iOS or Android device, and you can control your sprinkler system from anywhere. Whether you're at the office or on vacation, adjusting your watering schedule is just a few taps away. Another great feature is its voice assistant support. It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control your sprinkler system with voice commands. It's as simple as saying, "Hey Alexa, start watering the garden." The Orbit B-hyve XR is EPA WaterSense certified, meaning it optimizes your water usage to save water and reduce your bills. This makes it an environmentally friendly choice and a smart financial decision. Equipped with advanced features like soil moisture sensors, rain and wind delay options, this device ensures your garden is always in top shape. In short, the Orbit B-hyve XR Smart Sprinkler Controller stands out with its smart features, user-friendly interface, and water-saving technology. If you want to give your garden the best care, you can't go wrong with the Orbit B-hyve XR. Now, let's move on to our next product, the Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi Smart Irrigation Timer. This device is designed to make your watering tasks smarter and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at the Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi. The Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi optimizes your watering schedule using weather data. This means you don't have to worry about watering when it's going to rain or when there are weather changes. It saves water and ensures your plants get exactly what they need. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to create watering schedules based on regional plant types, soil composition, and slope. You can create separate watering programs for different zones, ensuring each plant gets precisely the right amount of water. With the Rainbird app, you can control this device from anywhere. Download the app on your iOS or Android device, and you can adjust your watering schedules, check system status, and view water usage reports. This means you're always in control of your garden, no matter where you are. The Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi is also impressive when it comes to water savings. Its EPA WaterSense certification means it optimizes water use, helping to lower your bills. This makes it an environmentally friendly choice and a smart financial decision. This device is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control your irrigation system with voice commands, making it super convenient. It's as simple as saying, "Hey Alexa, start watering the garden." The Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi is also very easy to install. Its user-friendly setup process means you can get it up and running quickly, and it'll start watering your garden just the way it should. In summary, the Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi Smart Irrigation Timer stands out with its smart features, user-friendly interface, and water-saving technology. It's an ideal solution for both home and commercial use. If you want to give your garden the best care, you can't go wrong with the Rainbird ST8i Wi-Fi. Once you get to know this device, you won't believe how much more beautiful and healthy your garden will look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome garden tech reviews. See you in the next video.